Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, it's not a mistake. God has actually ordered your step to my channel, so please, while you're at it, don't forget to click the subscribe button. This channel is just basically about natural hair, how to take care of your natural hair, how to grow your natural hair, lifestyle, and a little weeny bit of vlog. Yeah, I had a vlog, so I'm just going to show you how I do my wash and go. There are several methods of doing the wash and go method, but I'm just going to show you my own method. And the products I'm going to be using, I'm going to put them in the description box below. I don't have any link for any one of them because I got it in a store, different stores, so you can get the name and go get them from any store of your choice, but I got mine from the shelf. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification icon afterwards so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. And also like this video if you find it helpful to your life. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, I'm going to start off on a freshly washed co-washed hair. Then start with my water. I'm just going to wet my hair a little because I've had that towel on for a while, so I think it has already ripped off all the water in my hair. Then I'll go in with my Creme of Nature Curl Repair Leave-In Conditioner just to give my hair that sleep it needs and the moisture it needs. It smells good. I'm just going to go in with a little, not too much product. Too much is problem. Now I'm going to section my hair into 4 different parts and work my hair in sections. I'd also try as much as possible to make it equal, so I don't start struggling with one part and the other part is easier to work with. Now I'm going to just take one of those sections and start the whole wash and go process. I'm going to go in with my Cantu coconut coiling cream for natural hair, just to give my hair that coily look, wavy stroke coily look. I'm going to divide that little section into another section so that it will be easier to work with. I think I should have divided it further because it looks big. It is big, but when you're working in section, I'd advise you always divide your hair into further sections so it will be easier to work with and you'll be able to detangle, comb, prep your hair easily. I'm just going to try and detangle the hair. The hair is stubborn. The hair is stubborn, but I will show it that I am the boss. Now I'm going to go in with Eco Styler Gel to give my hair the hold and the definition, to hold up the definition that would come out from the coiling cream, the Cantu coconut coiling cream. As you can see, it's not giving me the definition I'm actually looking for, or the definition I'm looking forward to. After working it in and trying to manipulate it, it looks more like dread than a coily hair, which is disappointing. This is actually my first wash and go. add, I am not finding it interesting. Let me not start getting all negative. Let me just move to the next section. If there's something I did wrong, maybe the texture of that part of my hair is different, I just have to study my hair properly. I'm going to go in, do the whole process all over again, detangle and blah blah blah. Just work the product into the hair. Now I'm going to go in with gel as usual. This second one is kinda working out like I wanted it to, but I don't know what the result will be when it dries up. So I'm just going to watch it and hope that it turns out good. The definition is not exactly 40%, but it's better than the first one. My coils are very, very thick. Just going to go ahead and hope that this whole wash and go process turns out good. Now I'm done with 3 sections, so I'll just go in to the last one and see what the final result would be. I'm just going to do all the whole process on this last section. Prep it, pull it, comb it, and add my coiling cream, add my gel like you all know, and hope that it turns out fine. Okay, I'm almost done with the 4th one, and okay, this is looking fine and not fine. It's looking fine, but it's not looking like what I want it to be. Looking like something different, not like a wash and go, like Raskimono, Majek Fashek, Bob Marley kind of hair. Oh my god, this is the original Dada, I swear. But not to worry, I just have to manipulate it to look presentable, because I can't suffer like this and this hair will not be fine. It cannot happen. I'm just going to work on my edges, because this baby hair, I can't call it baby hair, those things don't stay. So I'm just going to slip them down, pin it down, and try to give my hair a very different look, presentable look actually. I don't know if you have any suggestion on baby hair. I've used all kind of edge control blah 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 for my baby hair, and they don't just slip. So if you have any suggestion, leave it below, because I need help. Your sister needs help. So this is the wet end result. It's just this is just 25% dry. As you can see, the product residue on my hair, not completely dry. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't have definition. It looks like dread. It looks like I purposely sat down to manipulate my hair to look like dread. But really what I wanted to achieve was a wash and go. This is the next day. It's not fully dry. It's like 60% or 70% dry, and look what the result is like. Like a confused wash and go. I am so not impressed with the result, and I am not sad because I'm going to try this again. I'll just go in with my eco styling gel and just manipulate the front again. This time I'm going to slip it down for it to hold a little, even if it's for a little while. At some point, I almost considered using the Got2b glue, not the Got2b styling gel, the Got2b glue as edge control for this stubborn hair. Stubborn baby hair. So I'm just going to lay it down and hope it lays down. I'm going to pray to God that it lays down. You know. So let me go dress up. Yep, it's after taking out the satin scarf. This is what it looks like. Manageable. But it looks like dread, short hair dread. It's fine, but not what I want. I actually wanted a wash and go, but it turned out like this. I'm just going to rock it for some days, and it's actually not looking bad. My brother keeps bumping into my videos, as in, can't just leave the room for me, I beg. Okay, I love you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the picture over there by the right and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos, and like this video. Bye.